946 out of 9,000 for 7,000.
Charleston International Airport 8 hits information Papa 2156 Zulu. Wind 200 at 18. Visibility 10. Few clouds at 25,000. Temperature 26. 2.15. Altimeter 29908. Simultaneous approaches to intersecting runways in use. Visual approach runway 15. Visual approach runway 21. Land and hold short. Charleston International Airport 8 hits information Quebec 2256 Zulu. Wind 190 at 15. Visibility 10. Few clouds at 25,000. Temperature 24. 2.17. Altimeter 29908. Simultaneous approaches to intersecting runways in use. Visual approach runway 15. Visual approach runway 21. All aircraft read back all hold short instructions and assigned altitude. Taxiway delta is non-movement area. Use extreme caution for vehicles, pedestrians, aircraft, and or jet blast. Vehicles are not under the positive control of air traffic control. Advise on initial contact. You have information, Quebec.
Okay, that's our ATIS information for the entry into Charleston. And setting up our freaks here. We're going to request the RNAV 21. And again, it's good to practice. So
846 contact Charleston approach 120.7 today.
20.7, 6946, thanks for now.
No problem.
And Charleston, Twin Cessna 69846, leaving 8,200 for 7,000.
Number 69846, Charleston first, Alpha 2997, expect visual approach runway 15.
At 846, can we get the RNAV for 21?
And number 846, not a problem, and stand by.
And let's see.
Number 846 is clear direct Cannon.
Direct Cannon, 69846. Okay. We're doing the RNAV Yankee, Cannon, and activate.
Local departure, executive 561, 1500 for 2000, executive 1.
Executive 561, Charleston departure, identify, maintain 10,000, 10,000.
10,000, executive 561.
Switch to 561, radar contact 1 mile west of the Charleston Executive Airport, leaving 1,700 feet.
Okay.
So we're going to overfly the city with this. We're going to overfly the city with this approach, and hopefully we'll get some good pictures.
Exit jet 561, connect Jacksonville Center 132.902.
3292, exit jet 561, good day.
We are 20 miles, 26 miles from Charleston, but you can see it, well, I can see it in the distance. We got our approach loaded in, and let me brief the approach.
November 846, within a maintain 5,000.
5,000, 6946. Okay, going down to 5,000. This is the approach, RNAV, GPS Yankee for runway 21. And the approach course is 211. We're going to pick it up at Cannon, which is at 3,000 feet. And then we start the descent after we turn to the final approach course. The missed approach is climb direct, runway heading to 3,000 feet, and then to prep it for the hold. So that's what we're going to prepare for. Picture of J to the I. And this is downtown. We'll see if those pictures work out. It's a nice VFR day and a good day to practice the RNAV. And the practice on the RNAV is to make sure that we get the procedure down, but also to check the instrumentation.
November 846, you can expect vectors to final for runway 21, just so I don't exceed your 90 degrees for the turn on.
846, roger. Vectors to final. So we want to check the systems to make sure that the instrumentation matches the picture that we see visually, and it gives us that confidence that the instruments are good.
So 1971, Charleston departure radar contact, climb maintain 10,000, 10,000.
I'm on a 10,10,000, Delta 1971.
Here's the Charleston Airport. Right here.
1971, connect Jacksonville Center 132.9.
This is
3292, don't mention something.
Boeing Streamliner facility with all the Dreamliners outside.
At 1971, 132.902.
Okay, we're still heading down to 5,000. Our minimums for the approach are 3,000. And we're going to get vectors to final. And let's continue our pre-setup here. So we got fuel pumps to go. And fuel to go.
So 1971, Charles. Tom 2346 Victor Charleston departure, radar contact. Maintain VFR, proceed on course, Mount Pleasant, advise the field to site. November 846, turn left heading 030, descend and maintain 3000.
030, 3000, 6946. Alright. We're going to come off of nav mode and go to heading mode. And down to 3000. We're going to select the approach. RNAV 21. Vectors and activate.
VFR 2000, on the heading November 6.
1355 Charleston departure, radar contact, climb maintain 10,000, 10,000. And November 846, descend maintain 1,600, turn left heading 360.
1,600 and 360, 6946.
Delta 1355, clear direct Palmetto, is in the Palmetto 2 departure.
Alright, now we're going to do our
November 46 Victor, airport 12 o'clock, 10 miles. November 46 Victor, airport 12 o'clock, 10 miles. 46 Victor, you said you had the Mount Pleasant Airport in sight? Number 46 Victor, roger, radar service is terminated, squawk VFR, frequency change approved, no traffic observed between you and the Mount Pleasant Airport. You 2. November 846, turn left heading 300.
300, 6946.
Departure runway heading 1004.
Number 462 Hotel Papa, Charleston departure, radar contact, climb maintain 10,000, 10,000, turn right heading 330.
Right 330 to 10,000.
November 846, 4 miles from Keat, turn left heading 240, maintain 1,600 to establish on the final approach course, cleared RNAV Yankee runway 21 approach.
And 240 cleared for the RNAV Yankee 21 approach and 1,600 at 6946.
Delta 1355, contact Jackson Center 134.37.
We're at 2,400 and he gave us down to 1,600. And I am...
November 2 Hotel Papa, contact Jackson Center 134.37.
And there we got the localizer coming in.
46, contact Tower 126.0.
126.0, 6946. And Tower, Twin Cessna 69846, capturing RNAV Yankee 421.
16946 Charleston Tower, 119.014, runway 21 clear to land.
21 cleared to land, 69846.
Envoy 3995, contact departure, have a good one.
Over for Charlie 3995, good.
And we're going to hold 2,000 until we get the glide slope to come in. And going through our checks again for landing. And the glide slope is coming in. We're half a dot out. We are not yet at gear speed, so we're going to come back a little more on the power here. And now we are. Our first notch of flaps. Gears coming down.
Hello Tower, Giant 4322 Heavy. We are fully ready for runway 15. Giant 4322 Heavy, Charleston Tower, runway 15, line up and wait. Line up and wait, Giant 4322 Heavy.
Medevac 209, Charlie Mike's ready, 21.
Medevac 209, Charlie Mike, Charleston Tower, runway 21, fly runway heading, clear for takeoff, 120012.
Runway heading, clear for takeoff, 209er, Charlie Mike.
And of course it's bumpy. Alright, we got the glide slope and the localizer. We're on the RNAV 21. And as you can see, it's bumpy.
9 Charlie Mike, connect departure, good day.
Switch to departure, 9 Charlie Mike, good day.
Giant 4322 Heavy, continue holding position runway 15, traffic landing crossing runway. Okay, Giant 4322 Heavy, we will continue to hold on 15 for landing traffic.
I can't get it. There's a picture of a Dreamlift there, which is a modified Boeing aircraft that they transport the parts in on. I'd love to show you guys, but can't do it on final. Another round of checks, gear down, 3 green, flaps, we're going full flaps. Make sure he's not moving. Green.
Giant 432 Heavy, runway 15, clear for takeoff, fly to Palmetto 2 departure. Okay, Palmetto 2 departure, runway 15, clear for takeoff, Giant 4322 Heavy.
That was a nice landing.
Alright, 46, left-hand turn on hotel, ground point 910.
Left on hotel and over the ground, 0.96946. I like that one, Arthur. And ground, Twin Cessna 69846 with you, hotel going to Signature.
Number 69846, Charleston ground. So you're going to Signature?
Affirm.
Number 846, roger, go straight ahead. Hold short of the approach end, runway 33.
Hold short of approach end, 69846. Let's see. Get it for you.
Number 846, you can cross the approach end at runway 33 now, and then join Golf Park.
Cross the approach end and join Alpha Golf to the Signature. Okay. Stop being distracting. Pay attention to what I'm doing. Okay, the flight took an hour and 23 minutes. 10 minutes more than we planned.
Ground JetBlue 1374, we're going to be pushing off of Bravo 8.
Push back your correction. You want 1-5 or 2-1?
1-5, please, for JetBlue 1374.
Right.
Oh my goodness, this place is pretty packed. Well, they do have a tennis tournament going on. There's a local event going on, another local event going on.
JetBlue 1379, or correction 1374, your release time is going to be 36:39. Let me know if you can make that.
All right, 3639, that should work. JetBlue 1374, thanks.
All right.
Experimental, say again. 5 Yankee Romeo, good.
Thank you guys again for flying along, and see you next time.